Right now I'm going to give you an example of how to filter a data set, which again, it doesn't delete the data that's in a data set, but it removes it or narrows it down for whatever purposes you're using. You need to have an idea of how information is presented in the attribute table. So the first thing to do is to go through and look at the attribute table. In this data set for states, we've got state name, state FIPS, state abbreviation. Remember, FIPS is a federal identification number that is unique to each state. FIPS are also unique to each county, and it may even go one level more detailed. I'm not certain about that. So in this case, though, state name is pretty straightforward. I'm going to close out my attribute table now. And the filter is this little, looks kind of like a funnel. I actually think it looks like a flashlight. You're going to click filter, and it says display the features that you want to match the following expression. I basically want whichever state is, and if I click the unique button, it's going to give me a list of all the names that are available to me, and I come down and I pick Virginia. If I say apply and apply filter and zoom to, we can see that we are now, oh, I just did it on the wrong one, sorry, that we are now in only Virginia. That information is useful for, this is going to be, you're going to need to do that for your second map, where you're filtering information down to just Virginia. Questions on how to filter something, don't hesitate to ask. Thanks.